You might want to highlight a certain comment on your TikTok video for everyone to see. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pinned comment option not showing on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to opening our TikTok app. For example, I want to pin a comment from this video, so I'm just going to tap on it and click on this comment icon right below the like icon or the option. So to pin a comment, what you're going to do is to press and hold a certain comment, and you should be able to see the pin comment option. Now on my side, and probably your situation as well, you don't see a pin comment option after pressing and holding a certain comment. So to fix this issue, just screenshot this particular situation that the pin comment is not showing. And then we're going to send this to the TikTok team and ask help from them. So to do that, just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Let's scroll down a bit and click on report a problem under the support and about section. So wait for this to load. And let's scroll down and click on follow, likes, or comments. Click on comment and click on other since there is nothing about a pinned comment. Now from here we need more help, so let's click on no and click on need more help. From here we're going to type in about the issue that we're facing, that we don't have the pinned comment option, so you can type in something like that and click on this media right here. And let's attach the screenshot that we took. Click on confirm right over here. And that should be attached to our feedback or report. So just click on submit and wait for TikTok to resolve that issue or reply to your report. So that is how you can basically fix pinned comment option not showing on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.